I am creating a web application that allows users to input code snippets and instantly receive an analysis of their time and space complexity. This project aims to bridge the gap in understanding big O notation among developers. It is valuable because it empowers developers to write more efficient and scalable code, solving a key technical weakness across many experience levels. Many developers struggle to estimate or understand how their code performs at scale. It's also a tool that can grow into algorithm comparison, scaling predictions, and optimization recommendations in the future. The name of my project, AppO. My SMART goals are to specifically build a working web app that analyzes and outputs big O complexity for code snippets, measurably support at least Python, JavaScript, and Java for initial MVP. I intend to achieve by focusing on a simple minimum viable product at first, which are the input field, output analysis, and clean UI. It is relevant as it directly ties into my software development, learning, and passion, and it's time bound to launch MVP within 2 months. Some of the key outcomes that I got listed here in my scope statement, my deliverables, and for my stakeholders, I will take the project lead role with the responsibilities to plan, code, and deploy. Developers, students, and educators will take the user's role with the interest to quickly and give helpful algorithm complexity analysis. Mentors and peers with the role of mentors. Pardon, educators and peers with the role of mentors with interests to give feedback, testing, advice. My timelines are during a week, start my planning to define an MVP tech stack selection, which I have started already, and during a week as well to design a wireframe UI and UX flow. During 4 weeks to start development of the minimum viable product by building a backend parser, front-end interface. And during 1 week, user testing and debugging. And during 1 more week to deploy the web app and share for early feedback. Some of my resource plans are to 5 to 8 hours work on this project a week, and more or less $20 a month for domain and hosting. I should probably have an asterisk here. I'll work on that more. And my risk management plan for risks such as incorrect complexity analysis, I intend to start simple, such as loops, recursion first. For time shortage, strictly focus on the minimum viable product, which is in version 1. My communication plan is to self-track using weekly GitHub projects board checklist, version control, GitHub repository with branches and commits, and backup regular GitHub commits and branches. My success metrics are to have a live MVP web app and operational, supports an MVP web app that supports at least 3 languages, correctly analyzes basic algorithms, with a minimum of 10 users within 1 month, and a 70% accuracy feedback rating from initial users. A rough tech stack that I have listed here as well. And I included as well a next steps here with the future growth, and especially with the intentions to build an extension version for VS Code, allowing users to get complexity analysis directly inside their editor and predict how an algorithm's performance will scale with larger inputs. I sketched a wireframe here, something simple just to give me an idea while I was project planning, with a git ignore file and the readme which gives an overview of the features, tech stack, and the setup instructions of the app. So thank you.